The first appearance at the 68th edition of a Macau Grand Prix, the Aston Martin Vantage GT3 by Uno Racing, coated in Bape ABC camo, has successfully expressed Aston Martin Vantage's passion for sports and experience derived from its incomparable performance, as well as Bape's visionary move towards the motorsport industry. Bape X-Pop Race Aston Martin GT3 are now available for pre-order at diecaststock.com. Get the discounted price by ordering them now. Products will be shipped out in December 2022. This is a fully licensed product by Bape and Aston Martin. The Diecast Stock is a sole distributor for North America.